Eric, the highly anticipated Catholic Church Sex Abuse Summit will officially get underway this week.
So the meeting at the Vatican will bring together senior bishops from around the world to discuss the global abuse crisis. Earlier this morning, church leaders outlined what we can expect from the summit, and our Kathy Hernandez is here with more on what the focus will be. Kathy?
Good morning. One thing the Pope is saying now, we need to deflate high expectations regarding this week's summit. There's no way they're going to fix this widespread problem in a few days, and that's why follow-up is of the essence.
That each one of them has to claim responsibility and ownership for this problem.
The problem, widespread claims of sexual abuse in the Catholic Church. The world's senior bishops prepare to travel to the Vatican for a summit being called the Protection of Minors in the Church. This morning, leaders say it'll be a positive step toward making the church a safer place to stop sexual abuse.
But we're going to do everything possible to make sure that people are held responsible, accountable, and there's going to be transparency, because those three elements will keep children safe. And it's important that we make that the priority.
Pope Francis calling yesterday for prayers for the summit. On Saturday, former American Cardinal Theodore McCarrick, once a leading figure, was expelled from the priesthood. He was found guilty of sexual crimes against minors and adults. A local survivor wants others to be held accountable for past abuse in the church.
It sounds like he's going to be spending time educating the bishops and cardinals and archbishops about child sexual abuse. We need to get over education. We've been educated enough. It's time to come up with solutions.
And organizers just wrapped up a 2-hour press conference this morning talking about the summit. They'll also meet on Wednesday with a dozen survivors who have gone to Rome to protest the Catholic Church's response and demand an end to decades of cover-up by church leaders. Those survivors will not address the rest of the 180 presidents of bishops during the summit. The Pope is set to speak on Sunday. Kathy Hernandez, KPRC, Channel 2 News.
Thank you, Kathy. Channel 2 will be covering this summit all week. Our Bill Baeza is traveling to Vatican City. His reports start tomorrow night at 10.